Hi, my name's Brennan, and I'm here to teach you about conflict management. Conflict management is managing any disputes that happen between employees and other coworkers, and between employees and their managers. As managers, it's vital for us to manage these conflicts to keep them from getting out of control. Conflicts that rage out of control disrupt workflow and can leave employees feeling bitter and with low morale. It's important to design a system so that all employees know exactly where to go and who to go to and how to file claims of conflicts and disputes. With employees knowing exactly where to go, they don't feel like taking matters into their own hands. They follow the design system. It's important to bring people on a team, a committee of what's called DSD, Dispute System Design. If we have a DSD system with the skeptics on board, they're less likely to disrupt or attempt to sabotage the system. According to the Daily Blog, Harvard Law School's program on negotiation, they suggest this DSD principles, and they suggest diagnosing dispute systems. We should be asking questions like, how often are these occurring? Who is involved in these kinds of disputes? What do people do when they have a dispute? Do they go to the top? Do they try to take matters into their own hands? Do they just complain about it with their coworkers and other employees? Do they threaten lawsuits? There's many questions we can ask to diagnose how severe these disputes are. The next step is to apply DSD principles. We need to be intervening early. We need to be seeking to separate disputing parties and helping them to resolve their conflicts separately. We need to implement a DSD system so that people know what manager they can turn to in case of any disputes. We need to evaluate our system and judge how well it's doing. Our system needs to survive not on the back of any one person, but it can survive even if any one person or multiple people left the company. Our DSD system needs to be strong enough that it can overcome any prejudices and any other potential issues that might arise. As managers, it's incredibly important for us to maintain high morale and maintain workflow. Conflicts disrupt workflow and bring down employee morale. I think with the coronavirus, it's even more important that we apply these DSD systems and manage conflicts. We don't know about conflicts that might be happening off screen when we're not in the office with our coworkers. I think this is a very important topic and something for everyone to consider. A possible scenario is two people are disputing about their workloads, and with a DSD system in place, they know who they can turn to.